Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P40 Lite, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into download mode. So to get started, hold power key and select power off. And once the device shuts off, you want to get the cable that you use for charging, plug it into your computer, and then while holding volume up, you want to plug it in and keep holding volume up for the entire time. And there we go. So let me just unplug it so I can set it up straight. And you can see right in third option you have the update mode. So using volume keys you can select it and then press power key, and you would use the USB update mode, which will still I think work considering it's not even plugged in right now. So it's gonna probably look like it's stuck on 5% for the entire time for you as well. That's usually how it looks like. But after like a couple of minutes it basically reboots and the process will be finished, so the device will boot back up into the Android. Now, so we don't have to actually wait here for this process to finish, I'm gonna shut off the device just by holding the power key. So it gives me a warning and whatever. So just to not wait for this to finish, I sped up the process. So once it would finish, it would just power off and then back on, and we would be at the same process as it is right now. And you can see we're back in Android. So that is how you would boot the device into the download mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.